Alright, I'm installing this Borla muffler in right now. I'm gonna start it up right now so you can hear it. That way you'll know what it sounds like before I hook it back up to go through these resonators. You might want to delete these resonators to really get the sound out of them. And installing those tips, because you just got that loop of a pipe there, might be a little limited on room, but we'll find out here in a little bit. But I'm gonna send you a video of what it sounds like without the resonators hooked up.
Go for it. Go. Go for it.
All right, we got this thing all done. Got the Borla muffler on there, deleted the resonators. Got some nice black tips on there. It looks a lot better. There's the original tips there. I think that looks a whole lot better. All right, let's start this thing up and see how it sounds.